I'm not fucking no nigga if he don't deserve it. Blew a bag on that pussy cause he know I'm worth it. Maybelline cover girl for certain. And my body on point, they be like, who's your surgeon? Turns out, I'm never in a drought. And from what these niggas say, I look better in person. I'm already getting used to the lurking. Man, these bitches can't stop, they the regular version. Whip Sherman, coins I earned them. Bitches, baby.
Alright, you guys, so I'm at Smith's, you guys. It's like a state of emergency. Are you guys really ready to see, like, these shows? Alright, you guys, so this is the bath tissue aisle that I'm in the store, you guys. I'm in a huge Smith's. Like, I'm in the biggest Smith's in Vegas, you guys. Like, look at this aisle right now. You guys, this is like an epidemic panic. All right, you guys, so you know I'm one of those, you guys. I'm stocked up with waters right there, you guys. Let's look in the refrigerator. You guys, we're doing okay, you guys. I still don't feel like I have enough stuff, you guys. Like, I feel like we're going to be gone for like out of service for a second. So I'm going to do a round 2 when I get off work tonight. You guys, stock your refrigerators up. Stop being nasty. All right, good job. Okay, so Jordan, the best bartender, just made the Valentino, you guys. This is for what? DJ Stellar.
Sun is down, freezing cold. That's how my dog.
Oh, the wind came in.
Louis Bell.
Like, come on. You gotta stay healthy in these streets. Like, come on.
Stay healthy.
Ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Wow, thank you. OMG.
All right, you guys, so I want to set this video up just so you guys kind of understand what's going on. You guys, so you know everybody got quarantined. This video is just going to show the reaction of a Las Vegas bartender / customer service manager once he finds out that I lost my job, you guys. So you guys are going to get to see what quarantine was like, what it was like to close my job down, just like a lot of good stuff coming up. Okay, you guys, if you like the video, make sure you guys put a thumbs up. I know you guys are at home bored. I need you guys to show your boy some love. I'm almost at 1,000, so please, you guys, keep subscribing to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all your love and support. I appreciate you guys more than you would ever know. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me. You guys enjoy the video. All right, you guys. Okay, so I'm coming live from In the Trap, you guys. I'm literally like freaked out right now, you guys. So we just got the announcement, you guys. The state of Las Vegas is shutting down every restaurant. As you guys know, I work for 2 restaurants, so that means your boy won't be getting any money. And yeah, just like that, everything will be taken from you. So you guys, I'm stressed. And I'm not really like worried because my house is like stocked up and everything like that. It's just so crazy because my new restaurant that I just started, you guys, it's like a brand new building. So it cannot take this recession right now. So live reaction. It's just crazy, you guys. So have you guys ever thought about like this? Okay, so the end of times, you guys, just so you know, my family is very, very spiritual, you guys. So I remember being in church and I remember they were telling us the end of days, they were going to be like, they were locusts. And if you guys don't remember, I need you guys to go back to one of my old videos. It was like a rant about what's going on in the world that I said that there was an invasion of locusts inside Las Vegas. So you guys, it's like signs of the time. So once the locusts come, you guys, then it's going to be a famine. So that means everybody loses their job, money is low, you guys, grocery stores are empty, as I showed you guys already. It's just really bad times right now. Really, really hard for Americans. Right now I can afford to have like my house stocked up and all that, but I just think about all the people that are freaking out right now that lost their jobs, that don't have money. It kind of hurts me. I was at my first job and this girl said that she doesn't she's not gonna have money for her family. So bye, you guys. Jordan's here, you guys. Okay, what about the coronavirus, Jordan? So what are you doing to like fight the corona? Like, what are you doing? Did you get groceries for your house? Did you
Drink a lot of alcohol.
That's it, Jordan? You guys, you know that's Jordan. What up? Yeah, so that's Jordan, you guys. So we're all at work right now. Nobody's really here, you guys, because everybody's grocery shopping and tackling each other for toilet paper right now. That was a lot of you put in one pill. You guys, Jordan is the messiest, you guys, here at Bloom. Jordan acts like he does nothing wrong, you guys. He is behind the scenes so fucking messy. So while y'all hoes worried about what I know, you need to worry about what this bitch right here knows. And that's on period, fool. Okay, you guys, so the song on right now is You're My Little Secret. And it's just like messy time and it's like messy Sundays. Did anybody see ya? Why? Oh, because the time off? Yeah, give him a bit. Did you already tell him you're gonna move him? Good job, beginning. You guys, I'm at work right now. You guys, I'm managing tonight. As you guys know, I'm the customer service manager here at what? Bloom. My favorite spot in the world. If you have not been to Bloom, you sleeping, huh? You mad. You so mad. And guess what? Stay mad. Yeah, you guys, so I'm just closing work. You guys know the deal. Regular life. With Miss Corona.
Fucking no nigga if he don't deserve it. Blew a bag on that pussy cause he know I'm worth it. Maybelline cover girl for certain in my body.
That's Jordan, you guys. Look at Jordan in the background putting gloves. Jordan, you look buff right there. Look how big your arms are. Yes, but yeah. Okay, so since the world is ending, I want my finest follower to like hit me up. You know, I'm single. I'm trying to have a baby daddy by the end of the year. You know, we can die together.
Because you got liver damage from all that.
Who got liver damage? I will put that on your nose, but your nose ain't got no nose no more because, you know, he put all this stuff up his nose, y'all.
You stupid.
You guys, we're living our best life today, you guys. I mean, it's not our best life, but we're living a life.
Then why you say it's our best life? It's not our best life.
Joseph, I need you not to be interrupting my YouTube while I'm doing my video. You guys, Joseph want to be in this video so bad.
I don't. Why you saying your best life?
It's,
he already has it.
as you guys, Joseph had coughed 3 times since he's been at work, you guys. I think he got corona. Super long hair right now, you guys. I don't know if you guys can see my hair. Can you guys see my hair? Look, I got super long braids. They're like down my ass right now. If we're gonna die, y'all, we're gonna die with hair, period. You guys, that's Joseph. I'm done. Joseph wanna pop his lips so bad, y'all. He's so bad.
They say you have to have sex to fight it off. That's all you got to do.
Is that what they said?
So,
can you see yourself? Wait a minute. Can you see yourself? Can you talk about Corona really quick? Because it's a Corona video.
Corona,
so are you nervous about Corona? Like, what are your precautions you took to be ready for Corona? Like, what's going on?
They said with coronavirus, you got to lay the pipe down a lot. So all you got to do is extra Magnum lubricating rubbers.
Oh.
You got to bop about 6 times a day. You're going to burn that fever off, baby.
I got a question though. Is it Magnum or is it Trojan?
I just said Magnum. I
Is
didn't
it
say no
Magnum
Trojan.
or Trojan?
I didn't say no Trojan. I said Magnum.
Is it Magnum or is it a Trojan? Kids, I'm gonna let y'all leave it up to y'all imagination as I turn my braids out. We think my job is gonna get shut down, you guys, so that kind of sucks because you guys know I'm in the waiting world, so I go by tips. So I'm not gonna have tips for like 2 weeks, so that's gonna kind of suck. So yeah, and the mood is mad as fuck. Mad. They're trying to stop my bag right now, bro. Everybody's stockpiling for their life. And then watch, they're gonna have all this food they're gonna have to throw away.
Yeah. So like I was they were looking in his car.
YouTube, Haley's here. Hi, Haley. You guys, Haley's always in the hood kicking it with the folks. Alright, you guys, so it is Monday. You guys, we're not shut down yet, but my restaurant is what? Empty. You guys want to see how empty it is? You guys want to see Ghost Town? I tell you, this virus is over here trying to mess up my coinstadas.
Hey, man, I went to Walmart.
I need $1,000 today.
30, 40,
I need $1,000 today. You guys, I need $1,000 today. We're putting this in the atmosphere. I don't care what virus is going around. HIV been around for years. I need my money. You guys want to see Big Head Daniel? Look at Daniel looking crazy. You guys. He got his sexy mom pants on today. Daniel spooked about the coronavirus, you guys.
Huh?
You're spooked?
No.
Are you spooked?
Stop showing my fucked up eye.
You guys, mama's over here. Mama's talking crap, mama. Mama, what's good for it, mama? You guys, mama is so funny. That's our chef. She makes all Bloom's food. It's absolutely amazing. You guys, it's ghost town. I set the building up. I'm looking amazing. Giving business professional. All right, what up, YouTube? So this is like the second day. Today is Monday. So Vegas is not quarantined yet. All LA just got quarantined. Hell no, I want no drink. You better send a bitch a bottle. Quintessa, you guys, I've always wanted to try Quintessa. So Jordan is going to open it up. Hi, Jordan. What is? Okay, so the ending days, you guys, we're gonna drink a little wine and work. Yeah, we're dying. This is the ending days. Like once we're open a $400 bottle of wine and working, bro, we're all dead. Okay. So yeah, I guess we're gonna drink a little wine, you guys. See the things they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that I let me. They gon' tell the story, she was different from me. I hold back sometimes I won't. They have it so that nobody can dine in restaurants. If you guys didn't know, Las Vegas passed the rule where there's no dine-in restaurants, but we still do to go. So that's what we're doing right now, is to go. And I mean, with to go, you can drink, bro. I'll make sure that no side, instead, bad things. It's a lot of bad things that they wish. Oh, come on, first, she's tight. You guys, Jordan said she's a little tight. That's what he said. It's a lot of bad things that they wish, and they wish, and they wish, and they wish, and they wish on me. Say they wish on me. First you get that money, then you get that power. Run with 20 in your trousers. Oh, thank God, with the fun that you there be know me. Imagine if I never met the broski star. God's plan, I can't do this on my own. Yeah. Someone watching this shit close. Yeah. I've been missing Scarlet Road.
Oh, I tell you, if it was us, man, a house of Rosewood, this shit too plush.
It's cool, man. Got red bottoms on. Life is good. You know what I mean?
Bad things that they wish, and they wish, and they wish.
You guys, so Daniel's gonna show you guys how, there's a toilet paper shortage in the US, so he's gonna show you guys how you wipe your ass in 2020. So go ahead, Daniel, tell my audience. During the apocalypse.
1 square per day, right? Is all you get. You do it here. Take a little square. Put a hole in the middle, right? What you're gonna do now is you're gonna put it on like it's a ring.
Okay.
You put it on your finger like a ring, okay? When you wipe your ass, you scoop with the finger.
Disgusting.
Now all the shit is around your finger.
Ew, God.
You fold up the back side, the front side.
Oh my God.
Right? But all of your
Oh
fingers.
my God.
Take your toilet paper now.
Oh my God.
Fold it up. Fold it up. You take a little triangle at the end that you got there. Put it inside your fingernail.
Disgusting. Get out here.
Can we see your eye?
I'm
Take
done.
that. Flush it down the toilet. 1 square per day.
Done.
Explanation on how to wipe your ass during the apocalypse. Will you guys try to wipe your ass like that?
Big facts.
Big facts? Big facts. What about yourself, ma'am?
I have to wipe 2 places, so
Facts.
I can't use that.
Oh, I'm done. Facts.
The fact that he just showed you guys how to wipe your ass and you scoop it with your finger, I'm dead. Like, you guys, when I say dead, fetal position, like dead in the casket.
He's disgusting.
I'm dead. I'm just dead. Jordan, are you gonna try that trick?
You got me.
Okay. Everybody dead in this building. It's bad that enough that you have to work through the quarantine and people dying and you guys. Okay, so I don't know if you guys know I have really severe asthma. The one thing to catch corona is elderly, kids, and people that got asthma. Wants me dead, cuz. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm fucking going the fuck off right now. My nerves are so fucking bad, bitch. I got gloves on. I need a Louis Vuitton mask right now, bitch. I just need to get my life, you guys. So, you guys, and we got this psycho over here moaning. Whoa. What's wrong?
That was me.
You guys, I can't. Let me tell you. Let me tell you, you guys, I'm trying to social distance myself right now from this. Are we? Let's pack this. This. This is YouTube. I mean, this is YouTube. This is YouTube. This is the countdown to quarantine. We got Jordan over here looking swole, you guys, through the quarantine. Whoa. Sis, I just got a new subscriber, you guys. I never fuck Wayne. I never fuck Drake. All my life, man, fuck's sake. If I did a menage with him, I let him eat my ass like a cupcake. My man fool, he just...
Subscribe.
Come on, say it again.
Please like the video.
Come on, and what else, sis?
Turn on the notifications.
You guys, you know what? She's about to be in the intro. Bro, she's about to... What did you just say? Okay, don't be selfish, you guys. Share this with others.
Comment down below.
Facts.
How you're going to limit your interaction with other people.
Okay, so we need you to comment down below. How are you going to limit your interaction with others? And then, you know, we got Jeezy the Snowman in the background. Jeezy the Snowman, his eye is swole shut, you guys. It's from eating booty. Yeah, you guys, so it seems like this is a dream, you guys. This is a dream. This is the end of my quarantine video, you guys. I love your life so much, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys haven't done it already, like this video, subscribe to my channel. You know, your boy got hella new stuff coming, you guys. And I love your life, you guys. I pray for everybody out there that's like going through bad times, that lost their job. Just keep your faith. All right. I hope you guys have such a good one. Until the next one, I love you guys so much for watching. You guys have such a good night. Never let a hater smash your day. You guys have such a good day. God bless you. Okay.